strikes again! Here he comes! I got your back! Here you go. Let's go!
The decreed hour is come. Set forth with my blessing, Prince Noctis.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Take your leave, and go in the grace of the gods.
Right.
Well, princes will be princes.
So much for royal protocol.
Not like you had to deliver a formal address.
Your Highness!
What now?
I fear I have left too much unsaid. You place a great burden on those who would bear with you.
You're one to talk.
I ask not that you guide my wayward son. Merely that you remain at his side.
Indeed, Your Grace.
We'll see the prince to Alticia if it's the last thing we see.
Yeah, what he said.
Hate to break this up, but Kor's got the motor running. Drados, he's in your hands.
And another thing. Do mind your manners around your charming bride-to-be.
Your Majesty as well. Try to mind yours around our esteemed guests from Niflheim.
You have no cause for concern.
Nor do you.
Take heed. Once you set forth, you cannot turn back.
You think I would?
I need only know that you are ready to leave home behind.
Don't know about you, but I'm ready as I'll ever be.
Take care on the long road. Wheresoever you should go, the line of Lucis goes with you. Walk tall, my son.
I think we can forget about hitching our way there. Thought people were friendly outside the city.
You can only go so far on the kindness of strangers.
You're just gonna have to push her all the way.
I've already pushed myself to the brink of death.
Oh, get up. Come on, car isn't gonna move itself.
Sheesh. I thought the car was supposed to move us.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Can it? Ready, steady. Push!
Gladio, do me a favor.
What?
Push this thing by yourself.
All by myself?
You won't even notice if we just let go.
Prompto, don't even think about it.
Save some breath for pushing.
Ignis, come on, time to switch.
Nuh-uh, we just switched back there.
And it's my turn, Noct.
His turn.
The world's a big old place.
Filled with wonders.
Tell that to my legs.
there! Y'all kept a girl waiting! Now, which one's the prince? Aha! Hello, your highness. Congrats
Not
on your wedding.
hitched just
Lady
yet.
Winifred's groom-to-be.
Apologies for taking so long.
You best save your apologies
makes
for
you.
Pawpaw. Cindy. Sid's grease
Roll her
monkey
in while I'm
granddaughter.
still young. Didn't your daddy tell you? She's a custom classic, not some beat-up old clunker. Prince Noctis.
Yeah.
Prince. Like they took your old man and kicked you got a long way to go, son. And that slackjaw's getting you nowhere fast. She's gonna take a while.
Now we play the waiting game.
Never liked that game.
Never any good at it either.
Well, might as well make good use.
Whoa! They got Ebony out here. Oh, Ignis is gonna flip. Wait, what's a gill? I got a feeling our money's no good here, Noctis.
Bet you Ignis came prepared, though. Let's ask him.
Enough for room and board. Something the matter?
Got any change on you? The local...
Funny you should ask. I just paid, so change is about all we have left. Gladio's got the last of it. He might share if you ask nicely.
Broken down and flat broke.
Adding insult to injury.
Old man's in
She
for
ain't gonna be
both
ready
after
for a
charging us
while.
that much.
Y'all need something?
Noct?
Bit steep for a simple tune-up, don't you think?
Oh, now I get it. This must be what Pawpaw meant when he said he was gonna teach them. Told me he ought to have y'all take care of some ornery varmints that have been causing a ruckus around. I'd be happy to pay y'all for your services. If you're up to the challenge. How about it?
All according to Sid's plan. I say we play along and teach him not to underestimate us.
Normally, when we need help with varmints, we just call the hunters.
Hunters?
Band of bounty hunters come out from the city. Keep these parts safe. Provided y'all look like a rough and tumble bunch, I reckon you'll round up those critters lickety-split. But don't feel obliged or nothing. Wouldn't want you to ruin your royal reputation.
Somehow I think I'll be okay.
Well then, good luck to you. I'll be sure to give y'all a holler when the old girl's ready.
Come a long way, Prompto.
Well, you know.
Put it in the books.
It's history now.
Let's clean him up quick.
Ignis, all business.
Right. They've no idea what they're...